Okay, as you saw, this is a T-Rex puppet. His eyes are right here. Can't see him. There you can. T-Rex. That's my T-Rex impression. If you don't like it, that's okay. I know. I think it sounds awful. So yeah, I know it. Nice, not it? No. Bad. Bad T-Rex. Bad. No. 13 technical difficulties. Please stand by. Bad T-Rex. Can I tell you something, T-Rex? Well, you might not be happy about this, but in the future, they're going to turn into a chicken. I don't know. I just wanted to be goofy at that part. So yeah. You can make them talk if you want. My name is T-Rex. I got a better idea. So yeah, let's just see how he does in the video. Hi, my name is T-Rex. How are you doing? Not too bad? That's right, move my lips. This time we're experiencing real technical difficulties. Please stand by. Hi, I'm Mr. T-Rex. Do you want to be friends? You don't? I hate you. How is it? It might look like I was just talking like this. Just without going like this. Hi, or this. Go like this. Hi. My name is Mr. T-Rex. You don't want to do that. You just go on screen. Go, hi, my name is Mr. T-Rex. No! Once again, technical difficulties. I'm a T-Rex. As you can see, when he opens his jaw, you can see the details of his jaw. And when you do it on this side, you can see what I did with the detail here. Wait a minute, forgot something. One with the technical difficulties. Stop. Anyways, so yeah, I had to add more to it. So yeah, as you can see, on the side, I added color to it, because it looks like, because when you open the jaw on this, when you're looking at the side and opening the jaw, it reminds you of the things that you see when a T-Rex opens his jaw. So yeah, I don't know what these are called. I have no idea. But what's that? Yeah. Here's the bottom of his jaw, which is it's pretty much I don't know. Yeah. It's the T-Rex. I'll see you guys later. Bye.